Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to Story Time. Today we are going to be reading Space Boy and His Dog by Diane Curtis Reagan and illustrated by Robert Neubecker. Chapter 1. A New Mission. Nico lives on Planet Home with his dog Tag and his co-pilot Radar. Nico is the captain of his very own spaceship. He built it all by himself. After each exciting day, zipping through outer space, he safely returns his crew to Earth. Nico's mom and dad live on Planet Home. They let him park his spaceship in the backyard. Nico's sister Posh lives on Planet Home too, but she is not in this story. Nico and his co-pilot search for their next mission. I'll bet that cat is lost on the moon, Nico says. Start the engines, Radar. We will find it. Chapter 2. To the Moon. The spaceship blasts off from Planet Home. It zips to the moon. After landing, Nico discovers a stowaway. Posh is not supposed to be here. She is not in this story. Come on, Tag, says Nico. Let's go find the lost cat. Tag leaps from the spaceship and scrambles up a moon hill, even though he does not like cats. Wait for me, cries Nico. Chapter 3. Lost Cat. Back at the spaceship, Posh finds Tag's doggy treats. She sprinkles treats on a moon rock. But Posh is not in this story. Let's get back to Nico and his crew. With Radar's help, Nico and Tag search the top of the highest moon mountain. No cat. They search the bottom of the deepest moon crater. No cat. They ask the man in the moon. The man in the moon says, the cat went that way. They search that way. No cat. Barf, barf. Finally, Nico and his crew give up. Nico feels sad. He cannot find the poor cat. Tag does not feel sad at all. He did not want to find the cat. He just wanted to run and back all over the moon. Chapter 4. Found Cat. Nico, Tag, and Radar go back to the spaceship. Posh is sitting on a moon rock. She is petting the lost cat. Since Posh is not in this story, it is so not fair that she found the missing cat. The cat has gobbled up all of Tag's doggy treats. Tag is not a happy dog. I am going to keep the cat I found, Posh declares. The cat begins to purr. Radar feels like purring too. Secretly, he likes cats better than dogs. Chapter 5. Homeward Bound. Tag is not happy to see a cat boarding the spaceship. Nico is not happy to see a sister boarding. You cannot keep the cat you found, Nico tells Posh. She belongs to Mrs. Garibaldi, and you know it. Okay, Posh says. I will return her when we get back to Earth. No, cries Nico. I will take the cat back to Mrs. Garibaldi. You have to stay on the moon. Chapter 6. Lost Sister. The spaceship blasts off. Nico watches his sister grow smaller and smaller. Warp speed, Radar, Nico says, but Radar is ignoring Nico because Nico left Posh on the moon. Nico tries to pet Mrs. Garibaldi's cat, but she won't let him. Nico feels lonely. Radar! What is our next mission? Radar doesn't answer, but Nico shows that he is thinking. There seems to be a sister on the moon. Nico does not like it when his crew ignores him. Okay then, he says with a sigh. We will find her. Chapter 7. To the Moon Again. Nico turns the ship around. Radar fires the engine. Tag leaps into the co-pilot seat. Mrs. Garibaldi's cat climbs onto Nico's lap and begins to purr. This time, Nico finds the one who was lost on the moon. Now Posh is a part of the story. I am a space hero, Nico cries. He tries to rescue the lost sister, but the lost sister refuses to be rescued. Chapter 8. Home in time for dinner. The spaceship blasts off once more. It zips across the sky. And they all fly back to Planet Home for supper. Except for Posh, who finds her own way home. Look, she was in the moon sand. And there they are, returning the cat. The end. I hope you guys enjoyed the story. I will see you again soon for more stories. Have a wonderful day. Bye.